Hi, to extend RAM on your Samsung Galaxy A35, all you have to do is go in your phone settings and here scroll so you can see this tap device gear. Tap it and after that tap on memory. It will load a bit and then you should scroll till the very bottom of the page and go in RAM Plus. So here we got three options. By default here is set up 4 GB, but you can switch to 6 GB or 2 GB. So if you want to keep more storage space free, then choose 2 or 4 GB. If you want to allow more apps to stay open in the background, you can select 6 GB. So if you want to switch to any other option, you just need to tap it. And as you can see, to confirm switching, we will need to restart our phone. So if you agree with that, just tap this restart button, and after that your phone will turn off and turn on within a couple of seconds with new RAM Plus. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.